How to download GBA Emulator on iOS devices. First, go to Safari app. Go to Google. Search this on Google. Then go to this link. Tap on Play Now. Close the ad. Wait for a moment. Tap OK. Then tap Continue. Now tap on Share button. Scroll down, then tap on Add to Home Screen. Then tap to open it. Tap Continue. To play the game first, you have to add it. Tap on the plus icon on the right top of the corner. Tap on Homebrew. You'll see a list of games. Add your desired game. Now tap on it. Then tap on Play button. Let the ROM download. Now you can play smoothly on GBA Emulator on iPhone. And that's how you can download GBA Emulator on iPhone. Thanks for watching.